Okay, you will see us advertising and buying the best vehicles every day. And if you're looking for a van to buy through your company, then it won't get much better than this, not only for the price, but for the exterior modifications and the all-round brilliant build of this new Ford Transit 320 Custom Limited. Now this one here is an automatic, it's 170 brake horsepower, it's VAT qualifying, it's plus VAT, it's a 25 plate, and it is on 900 miles, delivery miles, but with a Motion R exterior conversion and a Mastercraft edition, which gives it a different rear. Well, I'll show you straight away. This is a special van. Now, Mastercraft have soundproofed and carpeted the rear of this vehicle. They've also put in some racking. It's got a bike rack or a surfboard rack in the back. It's got more storage here. It's really, really nice. But what I love about this is this Motion R exterior conversion, which has given it the 19-inch wheel upgrade, which look really good. Obviously, it's a black van. This reminds me of the A-Team van. You know, I am of that era of the 80s where B.A. Baracus had a van, a very similar look to this, black with the red flashing. But he didn't have this forged or pressed carbon element throughout of this body kit, along the front splitter, around the vehicle, and that includes this side profile. So obviously we've got the decals down the bottom up here, and then we've got this forged or pressed carbon side skirt, and then round the back, the rear spoiler and the bottom diffuser with the Motion R exhaust tips. How good does that look? Double doors, so opening both sides of this one like so, which gives you a really nice easy access, and it is in a brand new condition. Notice the details in this van. So fully soundproofed, insulated to the roof, LED lit as well. It actually lights up on the roof lining as well. Obviously we've got the shelving, which is ideal for whatever you think you're going to use it for. This is actually a bike rack. I think you could probably put boards on there as well if you're into that sort of thing. And you've got that other racking which I showed you initially. In the details, it is the details that make these. So this Motion R detailing here. And I think it's actually more here. So we've actually got these little racks here, which can, how do we do that? There you go. I don't know what they're for. There's one on that door as well where you can hang wetsuits on it. Whatever, I don't know what that is, but easy to use. Another little feature. But like I say, it's all in the detail. So this bit here is forged or pressed carbon rear diffuser, the exhaust tips, Motion R badging here, and different rear light clusters on this particular van. Lovely, lovely looking thing, isn't it? So it's a 3-seat panel van plus VAT. But look at the seats now. Motion R have done their own take on these seats with the quilted leather. You see they've got the badging through the seats, captain seats, and then the steering wheel. One of my favourite tunes at the moment, this. Can we turn it up? See what the stereo's like? How do you turn it up? There we go. Anyway, details again, into the doors. Again, we follow that same theme with the forged sections, and on the steering wheel, Motion R steering wheel. Check this steering wheel out, red stitched. It's stunning, even through the dash here. And then we've got the Sync 4 system for Ford, so very modern, really easy to use, very clear, 900 miles on this particular vehicle. We've got cruise, we've got reverse camera, gearboxes on the steering wheel on these, so you look at the size of this system here. Front and rear sensors, reversing camera, heated front seats, digitalised climate control, smartphone integration, which is wireless, so jump in the van, use all your phone through this massive screen. And I love this. Loads of space, of course, across the middle of this, but Mastercraft. If we look up here, you can see it's a genuine Motion R, signed by the owner, driven by design. It is, like I say, all in the details for this particular van. And the price is fantastic, it really is. It's plus VAT, but you're getting yourself something very, very unique, unavailable anywhere else, that looks like this in the proper colour as well. I love this. It's got to sell straight away. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. And if you are interested in how you can buy this vehicle, please use that number and call me or WhatsApp me. Thanks for watching.